Guys, I'm here to show you the Nala of New Shillong. It's very clean. See, we are going. Nala mo. See, so beautiful. Wow, so beautiful Nala, bros. Elon going. Wow. So big, so clean, very big stone. You have to walk slowly more. If you walk fast, wow, no one here. So lonely. Wow, so water, so many water. Wow, so many water. See, oh, so deep. Wow, nice. It's looking good. I don't like to stay at town. In the city, I like here. Very nice sound of water. And very relax, man. Forget tension. So beautiful, see. Wow. Beautiful place. Beautiful water, bros. Oh, sleepy, little. You have to walk very carefully here. This stone is very sleep. Oh, water. I will see where is go. Where is and more. I'll walk slowly. Please keep in watching. More, bro. Okay. Let's go. Wow. Oh, big pipe. See, big pipe. This pipe goes people house for drinking water. Wow, so jungle mangle. Wow, let's see what is there. No snake, no fish in Shillong river. This is small river of New Shillong, mo. It's very good. Have a look. Keep watching, mo, bros. Very good. Wow, this is jungle Mongol. So many jungle Mongol. Wow, beautiful, clean water. Oh, some people is there here. Some people is there eating picnic. Let's talk to them more. You can see, is there some people. I thought me alone. Oh, so good. So good to see. Oh, big good. See trees, so green tree. So many trees. Wow, water. Looking nice. Water falling here, looking nice. See, like waterfall. Wow. Oh, very big stone. Very big stone. Wow. Oh, bro. Where from coming? Oh, what is that jumping, man? Where from coming you? Oh, you picnic mo. See this, bro. What are doing? Oh, making something for picnic. Oh, there is people. See, so many people come here for picnic. Nice spot picnic. Okay, let's go down. Oh. Wow, so dangerous, sleepy stone. Wow, let's go, bro. Let's go for roaming in the Nala. Wow, so clean. Okay, let's see. See this tree. It's amazing. Wow, here. What is this inside? Ah, nothing. Big snake. Wow, so big tree, see. So big tree come here like this. Wow. Okay, let's go. Oh my God. Oh, people are not good. See, throwing this one here, there, nala, dirty, river, mo. Not good, this one. Don't do, bros, like this. Keep clean. I throw there, mo. Yes, not good. Wow. Oh, water, water. Oh, pipe is leak. Water is coming from pipe. See, leak pipe. Oh, nice. Woohoo. Beautiful. Beautiful water. Let's go. Oh, one more, one more. One more pipe. Leak. One more pipe leak, man. Very big pipe. Oh. Woohoo. Have some fun, bros. See, so nice. Woohoo. Love you, bros. See, so beautiful water. And